In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix MacBook not loading websites. But anyways, getting into it, any issues that you're having like that are frequently tied to Apple's updated privacy layers or stuck network handshakes following a security patch. Now, if something like Safari is opening, but pages aren't loading, you gotta follow this troubleshooting guide. So the first thing you wanna do is disable iCloud's private relay. So on the top left, what we're gonna see is that Apple icon. Go ahead and click on that, and then we wanna go over to System Settings. Once you're in System Settings, go ahead and click on your name at the very top, then go over to iCloud. Now, once you're in iCloud, you're going to see a lot of different things, but you're going to see iCloud Plus features. If you have private relay enabled, go ahead and disable it because that is going to be one of the biggest things. And you can even select turn off until tomorrow. Then go back to Safari, try and refresh the page, and if it loads, the issue was actually Apple's privacy routing. Now, what you could also do is test in a private window. So whenever you go to Safari, so let's say I go over to it right now, what we could do is open up an incognito window. So go over to the top, File, and then do New Private Window, go on the same web page and see if it works there. If it works, that means your standard browser cache is corrupted or an extension is blocking the site. So you should clear the history. So what we want to do is, just go over to Safari, and then you're going to see clear history right here. And then you're going to be able to clear your history, like just clear all history. And then, just press clear all history, and then you should be good to go. Everything should be working after you do all of those steps. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.